All right, guys, we are doing another box of our Hit Parade autograph ticket break. This is the fifth one we've done. We've pulled John Smoltz out of here, Cody Bellinger out of here. We pulled Warren Moon out of here. So let's see what we can get out of box number 79 out of 100. So every box has got one autograph ticket in it. And so in this break, I've got John W. with 2 spots, Marty with 2, Roy's got 1, Donnie with 1, Sean H. with 1, Richard's got 1, Tom's got 1, and then Jason picked up the last spot. Excuse me, actually Donnie. So Donnie, you've got 2 spots in this one, my bad. Alright, so every spot gives you 2 random letters, since it's a multi-sport break. Alright, so let's go ahead and randomize the letters first. We'll mix this up 5 times. Alright, let's go ahead and mix this up 5 times as well. Alright, so Donnie, you've got last name G, B, M, and P. John W. with V, Y, D, and S. Marty's got N, E, A, and K. Let's see, Richard's got J and T. Roy with H and F. Sean H has got C and L. And then Tom's got W and R. Alright, so there's all the letters. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Alright, so 79 out of 100. Alright, we got Tim Lincecum on the cover. It is a ticket from 2014 between the Giants and the Reds. Not exactly sure who that auto is. It's going to be an Adam Duvall MLB debut. And that might be the crappiest one we've pulled. Last name D on that, that's going to be John W. I know I've heard of him. I don't know if he's any good. MLB debut is pretty cool. JSA certified, but definitely not one of the big names we were looking for. All right, so John, that's coming to you, man. So we will get that mailed out to you. Wish we would have pulled a bigger name. So we'll look at trying that again coming up here over the next couple weeks, and hopefully we can pull a bigger name than that. So appreciate you guys joining us on the auto ticket break.